Hi guys, so since di ako makatulog, it's actually 4:30 a.m. in the morning. So, let's just have a quick review about HSI Bianco Latte. Let's go! And I just wanna share with you, since di ako nagpalit ng damit kanina, I just slept early. So, I just wanna share that yung amoy ni Hasivat is still in my clothes. Unfortunately, it's not on my skin na, but damn. Still on my clothes even though pinagpawisan na ako kanina. No joke, guys, no joke. Ganon kapangharaba si Hasivat, especially if pinagpapawisan ka or pinagpapawisan ka. Damn! Basta ang ganda niya, guys, ang ganda. Okay, so let's go with Bianco Latte. So, here it is. And wala akong masabi. It smells lactonic, caramel, honey. Basically, it stands its name na latte. It literally smells like a coffee. Shadow muna. Shadow coffee siya. Hindi ko ba mag-vlog? I actually unboxed this and sprayed this in my workplace. And then, damn. It was a first time lang po guys First time ng non-perfume lover to actually get a compliment from this kind of fragrance. Like, no joke guys. He doesn't or he does like perfume, but it's very rare for him daw to compliment a fragrance, and he said that this perfume or Bianco Latte smells like magnificent in his opinion. Ganon kaganda yung Bianco Latte natin, guys. Hindi naman ako glazer, di ba? So for its performance, I still haven't yet fully worn this one. Okay, so I don't know about its longevity, projection, sillage, but all I can say, scent-wise, ang ganda po ng Bianco. Like no, yeah, redundant ako din. Like no joke. Like I promise. HSI doesn't pays me with this, okay? Di po ako bayad, di po ako bayaran, okay? I pay this with my own money. Galing po ito sa aking sweldo, okay? So let's just wait, okay, for an update about the full wear of Bianco Latte, especially for its performance, projection, and lastly, sillage.